Anti-inflammatory foods. 13 foods to eat to reduce inflammation. Inflammation can be good as well as bad. It helps the body protect itself from developing infections and wounds. In contrast, chronic inflammation can increase weight and cause disease. Anxiety, inflammatory foods, plus low activity concentrations can make this danger even higher. But studies show that several foods can combat inflammation. In today's video, we will share with you 13 foods to eat to reduce inflammation. Number 1. Berries. Berries are full of fiber, essential vitamins, as well as minerals. There are several varieties present, such as strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Berries have antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties that may decrease your risk of infection. Your body creates natural killer cells, which retain your immune system working appropriately. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish contain protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Even though all kinds of fish have some omega-3 fatty acids, some fatty fish are great sources, like salmon, herring, and anchovies. Furthermore, EPA and DHA decrease inflammation that can cause metabolic disease, heart infection, and diabetes. Your body converts these fatty acids into resolvins, as well as protectins, which contain anti-inflammatory properties. On the other hand, in one study, individuals with an uneven heartbeat who consumed EPA and DHA regularly encountered no modification in inflammatory indicators, linked with people who got a placebo. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is very nutritious and is cruciferous, accompanied by cauliflower and Brussels sprouts. The study has revealed that eating numerous cruciferous vegetables is linked with a reduced hazard of heart infection and cancer. This can be associated with the anti-inflammatory properties of the antioxidants they have. Additionally, it is high in sulforaphane, which fights swelling by decreasing your concentration of cytokines. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are full of potassium, magnesium, healthy fiber, and monounsaturated fatty acids. They also have carotenoids as well as tocopherols, which are associated with decreased cancer hazard. Furthermore, one compound in avocados can decrease inflammation in skin cells. In one research, once individuals consumed a piece of avocado along with a hamburger, they had fewer concentrations of the inflammatory indicators NF-κB as well as IL-6, likened with people who consumed the hamburger only. Number 5. Green tea. You have perhaps perceived that green tea is among the healthiest drinks you can consider. It decreases your hazard of heart infection, cancer, diabetes type 2, and other disorders. The majority of its advantages are because of its antioxidant as well as anti-inflammatory effects, particularly a substance known as epigallocatechin-3 gallate. Besides, it prevents inflammation by decreasing pro-inflammatory cytokine creation and injury to the omega-3 fats in the cells. You can purchase green tea in several grocery stores or online. Number 6. Peppers. Bell peppers plus chili peppers are full of vitamin C as well as antioxidants that contain strong anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, bell peppers deliver the antioxidant called quercetin, which can decrease one indicator of oxidative injury in individuals with sarcoidosis. Besides, chili peppers have sinapic acid as well as ferulic acid, which can decrease inflammation and cause improved aging. Number 7. Mushrooms. Although several varieties of mushrooms occur throughout the world, only some are edible and grown successfully. These contain truffles, portobello, as well as shiitake mushrooms. Besides, mushrooms contain fewer calories and more selenium and B vitamins. Furthermore, they also have phenols and additional antioxidants that offer anti-inflammatory safety. A distinct category of mushrooms, known as lion's mane, can decrease low-grade obesity-associated inflammation. But one study discovered that cooking mushrooms considerably decreased their anti-inflammatory combinations. Therefore, it can be best to consume them raw, otherwise slightly cooked. Number 8. Grapes. Grapes have anthocyanins, which decrease inflammation. Furthermore, they may reduce the risk of numerous diseases comprising heart infection, diabetes, fatness, Alzheimer's disease, and eye infections. They are also among the finest sources of resveratrol, one more compound that contains several health advantages. In one research, individuals with heart infection who ate grape extract every day experienced a malady in inflammatory gene indicators containing NF-κB. Besides, their concentrations of adiponectin were enhanced. Low concentrations of this hormone are linked with weight addition and an amplified hazard of cancer. Number 9. Turmeric. This anti-inflammatory food is a spice having a strong, simple flavor that's frequently utilized in curries and additional Indian dishes. Also, it has gained a lot of consideration for its portion of curcumin, a strong anti-inflammatory nutrient. Moreover, turmeric decreases inflammation associated with arthritis, obesity, and further diseases. Indeed, eating 1 gram of curcumin every day along with piperine cause an important condition in the inflammatory indicator CRP in individuals with metabolic disease. In one research, females with extra weight who consumed 2.8 grams of turmeric regularly showed no enhancement in inflammatory indicators. Consuming supplements having inaccessible curcumin is more operative. Additionally, curcumin supplements are frequently joined with piperine, which can increase curcumin levels by 2,000% in the body. Besides, if you want to use turmeric in culinary, you can get it in several stores or online. Number 10. Olive oil. Olive oil is among the nutritious fats you can consume. It is high in monounsaturated fatty acids in Mediterranean food, which offers several health advantages. Researchers link olive oil to a decreased danger of heart infection, brain cancer, and additional severe health diseases. In additional research on Mediterranean food, CRP and numerous extra inflammatory indicators significantly reduced in people who ate 1.7 ounces of extra virgin olive oil regularly. The consequence of oleocanthal present in olive oil has been linked to anti-inflammatory medicines similar to ibuprofen. Remember that extra virgin olive oil provides superior anti-inflammatory advantages than those delivered by extra refined olive oils. Besides, it is easy to get olive oil at your native grocery store. However, you can also purchase it online. Number 11. Dark chocolate as well as cocoa. Dark chocolate is enjoyable, rich, and nourishing. What's more, it is also full of antioxidants that decrease inflammation. These can decrease your danger of disease and cause healthier aging. Moreover, flavonols are liable for chocolate's anti-inflammatory properties and retain the endothelial cells that make your arteries strong. In one research, smokers favored significant advancements in endothelial function in 2 hours of consuming high flavonol chocolate. But, verified to select dark chocolate that has a minimum of 70% cocoa, a higher percentage is even superior, to gain these anti-inflammatory advantages. Additionally, if you overlooked getting this option on your latest run to your store, you can purchase this treat online. Number 12. Tomatoes. This treat is a powerhouse of nutrients. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, K, as well as lycopene, an antioxidant having remarkable anti-inflammatory features. Additionally, lycopene can be predominantly helpful for decreasing pro-inflammatory compounds associated with numerous kinds of cancer. One research discovered that drinking tomato juice considerably reduced inflammatory indicators in females with additional weight. However, not people with diabetes. Remember that cooking tomatoes with olive oil can increase the quantity of lycopene you grab, as lycopene is a carotenoid that is better engrossed with fat. Number 13. Cherries. Cherries are enjoyable and high in antioxidants, for example anthocyanins, as well as catechins, which reduce inflammation. Even though the health-encouraging features of tart cherries have been considered more than additional assortments, sweet cherries also deliver advantages. In one research, once individuals ate 280 grams of cherries each day for approximately 1 month, their concentrations of the inflammatory indicator CRP reduced and remained low for around 28 days when they stopped consuming cherries. Even low inflammation levels on a long-lasting basis can cause infection. Ensure your best to retain inflammation in check by selecting a wide range of enjoyable, antioxidant-rich nourishments. Also, peppers, dark chocolate, fish, as well as extra virgin olive oil are only a few anti-inflammatory foods that can aid you to fight inflammation and decrease your danger of developing disease. Which food is your favorite? Let us know in the comments section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy.